Hi, this is Vineet Mathur, your Chief Community Lead, iSoCIAL Connect. We know there's a lot of creations happening in our digital world. We have moved ahead from an electromechanical world to a digitized, connected global village. Not only that, we have constantly evolved from a follower commune to an entrepreneurial leadership mindset. Working at senior level positions with both national and international companies, I had one observation that bothered me the most. The people that are connecting the world and making technology work are themselves scattered and, if I may say, disconnected. There are great innovations, digital solutions, capable to solve critical business issues. But guess what? The industry does not know how to implement them. And if they know that, there is a lack of confidence. As an industry, are we able to bring the right recognition to our thought leaders? Create forums where we can showcase our wins, our capabilities and creations, discuss and assist in resolution of our challenges? Have we been able to bring in standardization, guide policy, help the government's vision of digital India? Let us together fill the gaps that challenge our resolve to deliver cutting-edge solutions and our strive for excellence. Let us create a path for our growth. Let us together create iSoCIAL.